Bow window installation in Fayetteville, Arkansas, is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a variety of bow windows Fayetteville styles available, residents can choose from custom bow windows that perfectly match their home's design. Bow window contractors in Fayetteville, Arkansas, offer expert services to ensure a seamless installation process, providing energy-efficient bow windows that help reduce energy costs. For those considering bow window replacement in Fayetteville, Arkansas, understanding the bow window cost is crucial. Bow window installation companies in Fayetteville, Arkansas, provide detailed estimates, taking into account the bow window materials and dimensions. The cost of bow windows Fayetteville installation can vary based on the complexity of the design and the quality of the bow window frames and glass used. Bow window installation in Fayetteville, Arkansas, is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Bow windows Fayetteville maintenance services include regular inspections and installations to address any issues with bow window frames or glass. Bow window experts in Fayetteville, Arkansas, offer comprehensive solutions to keep your windows in top condition. Custom bow windows in Fayetteville, Arkansas, offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home's appearance. With a range of bow windows Fayetteville options and enhancements available, homeowners can select features that best suit their needs. Bow window specialists in Fayetteville, Arkansas, provide guidance on the latest bow window design trends and styles. Energy-efficient bow windows in Fayetteville, Arkansas, are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. These windows are designed to minimize heat loss and improve insulation, resulting in lower energy bills. Bow windows Fayetteville upgrades can include the installation of advanced bow window glass and frames to enhance energy efficiency. Bow window dimensions in Fayetteville, Arkansas, can be customized to fit any space, providing a versatile solution for various architectural styles. Bow windows Fayetteville design focuses on maximizing natural light and creating a spacious feel within the home. Bow window features such as built-in seating or storage can further enhance the functionality of these windows. Bow window services in Fayetteville, Arkansas, encompass a wide range of offerings, from initial consultation to final installation. Bow windows Fayetteville installation companies are equipped with the knowledge and experience to handle projects of any size. Bow window solutions in Fayetteville, Arkansas, are tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of each homeowner. Bow window benefits in Fayetteville, Arkansas, include increased curb appeal and property value. The unique design of bow windows Fayetteville creates a focal point that enhances the overall look of a home. Bow window enhancements in Fayetteville, Arkansas, such as decorative glass or custom frames, can further elevate the aesthetic appeal. Bow window installation in Fayetteville, Arkansas, is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. Our Bow Windows Fayetteville Installation Company offers a wide range of bow window styles and options to suit any architectural design. With our expert bow window contractors in Fayetteville, Arkansas, you can expect top-notch service and precision in every installation. Custom bow windows in Fayetteville, Arkansas, provide a unique touch to any home, allowing for personalized design and style. Our bow windows Fayetteville specialists work closely with clients to create custom bow windows that meet specific needs and preferences. From selecting the right bow window materials to choosing the perfect bow window dimensions, our team ensures a seamless process from start to finish. Energy-efficient bow windows in Fayetteville, Arkansas, are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Our bow windows Fayetteville experts offer a variety of energy-efficient bow window solutions that not only enhance your home's appearance but also contribute to a more sustainable environment. With our energy-efficient bow window upgrades, you can enjoy lower utility bills and a more comfortable living space. Bow window installation in Fayetteville, Arkansas, is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Our bow windows Fayetteville installation services address common issues such as leaks, drafts, and damaged frames. Trust our experienced bow window installation specialists in Fayetteville, Arkansas, to restore your windows to their original condition, ensuring optimal performance and durability. Bow window replacement in Fayetteville, Arkansas, is a cost-effective way to update your home's look and improve its value. Our bow windows Fayetteville replacement services offer a variety of bow window styles and features to choose from, ensuring a perfect fit for your home. With our competitive bow window installation cost in Fayetteville, Arkansas, you can enjoy a hassle-free replacement process that fits your budget. Bow window design in Fayetteville, Arkansas, is all about creating a harmonious blend of style and functionality. Our bow windows Fayetteville design experts work with you to develop a design that complements your home's architecture and enhances its curb appeal. From traditional to contemporary bow window designs, we offer a wide range of options to suit your taste and lifestyle. Bow window maintenance in Fayetteville, Arkansas, is crucial for preserving the beauty and functionality of your windows. Our bow windows Fayetteville maintenance services include regular inspections, cleaning, and installations to keep your windows in top condition. With our comprehensive bow window maintenance solutions, you can extend the lifespan of your windows and enjoy their benefits for years to come.